Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. O descendant of Bharata, at that time Krishna, smiling, in the midst of both armies, spoke the following words to the grief-stricken Arjuna.
So, Rsikesha prahasan iva. Krishna began to laugh, smiling. What a nonsense this is. First of all he said, put me, senaya rubar madhya ratasthapaya me ochyuta. Krishna, just put my chariot between the two parties of soldiers. And now you are so enthusiastic in the beginning that put my chariot between the two armies. Now this rascal is saying, no jotsa, I will not fight. Just see the rascal now. So in Arjuna, Krishna's direct friend, Maya is so strong that he also becomes a rascal. And what to speak of others? First of all, very enthusiasm. Yes, put my chariot between the two armies. And now, na jos iti govinda. I am not going to fight. This is rascal. So we are smiling. That he is my friend, direct friend, and such a big, and he is now saying that I will not fight. So Krishna is smiling. This smiling is very significant. Prahasan. Tamuvacha Rsikesha prahasan iva bharata senaya rubham visidantam, lamenting. First of all he came with great enthusiasm to fight. Now he is lamenting. And Krishna is mentioned here, Rsikesha. He is solid. He is Achyuta. He is solid. He is not changed. Another significance of this word, Rsikesha, because in Narad Pancharatra, the Bhakti means Rsikesha Sevanam. Therefore, this very name is mentioned here, Rsikesha. Rsikesha Sevanam. Bhakti Ruchat. Bhakti means to serve Rsikesha, the master of the senses. And the master of senses, some rascals, are describing that Krishna is immoral. He is master of senses and he is immoral. Just see how he has studied Bhagavad-gita. Krishna is perfect brahmachari. Krishna is perfect brahmachari. Well, it was declared by Bhishma Dev. Bhishma Dev is the first great brahmachari in the universe. He promised to Satyavati's father, you know the story, Satyavati's father, his Bhishma Dev's father was attracted by a fisher woman, fisher girl. So he wanted to marry. And the father of the girl denied, no, I cannot give my daughter to you. No. Why? I am king, I am asking your daughter. No, you have got a son. Bhishma then was the son of his first wife, Mother Ganges. Mother Ganges was wife of Shantanu Maharaj, and Bhishma then was the only remaining son. The contract was between Shantanu Maharaj and Ganges, Mother Ganges, that I can marry you if you allow me that all the children born I shall throw in the water of the river. And if you do not allow me, then immediately I shall leave your company. So Shantanu Maharaj said, all right, still I shall marry you. So she was throwing all the children in the Ganges. So this Bhishma there, so after all father, so he became very much sorry that what is this, what kind of wife I have got. She is simply throwing all the children in the water. So at the time of Bhishma there, Shantanu Maharaj said, no, I cannot allow you. I cannot allow. Then Mother Ganges said, then I am going. Yes, you can go. I don't want it. I want this son. So he was wifeless. Again he wanted to marry the Satyavati. So the father said, no, I cannot give my daughter to you because you have got a son, grown-up son. He will be king. So I cannot give my daughter to you to become your maid servant. Or if I would have thought that her son would be the king, then I can offer you my daughter. So he said, no, that is not possible. But Bhishma Dev understood that my father is attracted with this girl, so he approached that he said to the fisherman that you can offer your daughter to my father, but you are thinking that I shall become king, so your daughter's son will be king. On this condition you can offer your daughter. So he replied, no, I cannot. Why? Now, you may not be king, but your son may be king. Let's see this material calculation. That at that time he said, no, I shall not marry. That's all. I promise. I shall not marry. So he remained brahmachari. Therefore his name is Bhishma. Bhishma means very solid, firmly fixed. So he was a brahmachari. For the sake, for the satisfaction of his father's senses, he remained brahmachari. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,